Hello, welcome to part 2 of the 58 most amazing baking soda uses and benefits. If you missed part 1, then click here or in the description below. Let's continue down the list. 19. Deodorize and clean your dishwasher. When you use your dishwasher on a daily basis, tiny bits of food, grease, and dishwasher soap scum can cling together and form deposits in all the nooks and crannies of the appliance. After a time, they can not only make your dishwasher look and smell bad, but decrease its efficiency as well. Luckily, in this case, deep cleaning a dishwasher doesn't mean getting on your hands and knees and scrubbing with all the force you can muster. All you need to do is toss a cup of baking soda to an empty dishwasher and then run it on the rinse cycle. You may also want to add vinegar to the mix for extra cleaning power. 20. Tackle slippery footpaths. Although commercial de-icers can melt ice on footpaths and roads, they can cause damage to the concrete. Here's where baking soda comes in. It functions a lot like salt because it contains sodium, which helps to lower the freezing temperature of ice and cause a melting effect. If you happen to have a good stock of baking soda to hand on an icy day, sprinkle a generous amount of the stuff onto your icy patches on walkways. This is a very simple and effective way to eliminate slipping hazards without salt. 21. Handle marble and granite stains. Marble and granite countertops are gorgeous, but they're porous and will soak in liquids that can leave stains, even sitting water. Many types of liquids and sauces can leave their mark, including fruit juice, wine, coffee, tea, water, vinegar, vegetable and olive oils, sauces, grease splatters, and so on. The best way to keep marble or granite countertops stain-free is to spray the stain first with water, then cover it completely with a thick paste made from baking soda and water. Place a plastic bag or wrap on top of the area and allow it to sit for at least 24 hours. After 24 hours, remove the solution and wash the area with mild soap and water. 22. Refresh a vacuum bag. It's a given that your vacuum cleaner should help your home smell better, not worse. But if the appliance itself begins to smell bad, it will release the foul odor all over your home every time you use it. Odors in vacuums can have several causes, from moldy coffee grinds in the bag to pet hair clogging the works. You can prevent the machine from smelling bad by making your own vacuum bag sachets filled with baking soda and dried herbs. Slip these fragrant sachets into your vacuum bag and enjoy the pleasant fragrance when you vacuum the floor. 23. Extinguish minor grease fires. A grease fire happens when your cooking oil becomes too hot. When heating, oils first start to boil, then they'll start smoking, and then they'll catch on fire. Luckily, minor grease fires can be controlled and put out without causing major damage to your kitchen. Instead of panicking if you ever find yourself fighting a grease fire, go for your baking soda stash as soon as you can. When baking soda is heated, it gives off carbon dioxide, which helps to smother the flames. Turn off the gas or electricity if you can safely do so. Stand back and throw handfuls of baking soda at the base of the flame. 24. Keep brushes and combs clean. Cleaning your hairbrush or comb is a task that often gets neglected or is never done at all. But it's important to protect yourself against bacteria and allergens like mites that you could get from your brushes. So you should plan on cleaning your brush at least once a month, if not once a week. To clean your brush the natural way, first remove any hair from the bristles using a comb to go through the brush. Then submerge the brush in a solution of baking soda and water until the teeth or bristles are covered. Soak for at least 30 to 60 minutes, then rinse well in hot water. The gunk should be gone. 25. Improve hair health. Using a baking soda and vinegar-based hair regimen is rumored to help reset your scalp to its natural pH, which could be more acidic or more basic depending on the products you use. For this reason, resetting your hair and scalp's pH balance back to its normal baseline can help remedy a number of issues, including dandruff, scalp irritation, dryness, and more. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda into your palm along with your favorite hair care product. Apply to your hair and scalp, leave for up to half an hour, then shampoo as usual and rinse thoroughly. 26. Revive sponges. Sponges, by their very nature, get gross pretty quickly. If you find yourself throwing them out more often than you'd like, there's an easy way to at least make them smell a bit fresher. All you have to do is soak the offensive sponges in a solution of 4 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 liter of water. After a few minutes, they should smell about as good as sponges can smell. Note that you never ever bring an old sponge back to like new quality, so you should still replace your sponges fairly frequently. 27. Polish silverware. There's nothing more disheartening than spending a fortune on silver items and watching them tarnish before your very eyes. Unfortunately, silver tarnishes when it's exposed to air. It's part of a chemical reaction that affects a variety of silver pieces, from jewelry to flatware. Cleaning silver with baking soda is one of the most environmentally friendly ways to remove stains from the precious metal. Make a baking soda paste made with 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water and rub it onto the silver with a clean cloth or sponge. Rinse thoroughly and dry for a shining set. 28. Give your laundry a boost. With so many different fabrics, messes, and odors to get clean, a hamper full of dirty laundry can give your detergent a good workout. No matter which detergent you choose, you can boost its cleaning and deodorizing power by adding baking soda. This is because when paired with your laundry detergent, baking soda uses the power of pure sodium bicarbonate to neutralize odors by balancing pH levels, helping to soften wash water so you can use less detergent or bleach while enjoying cleaner clothes. Just toss half a cup of baking soda into your laundry to make your liquid detergent work harder. 29. Fix deodorant stains. Some deodorant stains are more troublesome than others. The yellow stains in the armpits of your tops come from a mixture of the salt in your sweat and the aluminum in your deodorant. Aluminum is commonly used in antiperspirant deodorant because it clogs up pores, preventing sweat from generating. You can prevent unsightly deodorant stains on your clothes by applying baking soda to your underarms after applying deodorant. 30. Make a brass cleaner. As brass ages, it takes on a darker coloring or tarnish. Tarnishing occurs when air reacts with the metal, leading to the deepening of copper's color. Removing tarnish and bringing out the shine in brass items is safely accomplished by cleaning them with a wedge of lemon sprinkled with baking soda. This method will provide a gentle, abrasive solution for cleaning and shining. You can also mix half a cup of baking soda with a cup of white vinegar. Then dip a clean cloth into the mixture and use it to apply the paste to the brass item. Leave for 10 minutes before rinsing off and wiping clean. 31. Shine tile grout. Without cleaning, your grout changes from clear white to an unappealing brown. With baking soda, you can effectively remove dirt and mold stains while cleaning and brightening your tiles without having to hire a professional. Combine 3 cups of baking soda with 1 cup of water, then apply the solution to your grout with a brush or a sponge. Leave for several minutes, then rinse the area clean. For extra benefit, try adding a vinegar and warm water mix to the area before removing the baking soda, which will cause the baking soda to fizz. Leave to rest for 5 minutes before scrubbing the grout and washing it clean. 32. Freshen up dish racks. You wouldn't think a dish rack would get all that dirty just holding freshly washed dishes, but it can. Hard water stains, mineral deposits, and mold are all unsightly odor-causing possibilities. It's simpler than it seems to revive your dish rack. You just need to commit to regularly scrubbing them with a paste of baking soda and water. Use a toothbrush to get tight spaces and hard-to-reach corners. After the rack has been thoroughly cleaned, use a clean cloth to dry or set it in an out-of-the-way place to air dry. 33. Make cheap and natural carpet and rug freshener. A baking soda carpet cleaner can help to freshen and revitalize your carpets. More importantly, it's an inexpensive solution that will have no lasting impact on the environment, and it will do the job in helping to get rid of odors and stains with ease. Sprinkle your carpets with a good coating of baking soda and leave it to sit for a few hours before sweeping and vacuuming up the rest. Your carpets will smell noticeably fresher. To remove stains, add some hot water to your baking soda and let the stain sit for at least 3 hours. Repeat if the stain is particularly embedded into your carpet. 34. Revitalize wardrobes. Baking soda is often used to remove clothing stains, but we know it's also an excellent odor absorbent. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking powder to a breathable container or box and place it inside your wardrobe. Baking soda also absorbs moisture, freeing your clothes of the mildew-like smell. 35. Deodorize bins. Bin odors can leave a lingering unpleasant smell in the air, So it's important that your trash receives routine cleaning. Even if you take out the rubbish every night, bits of gunk, garbage, and stains can easily build up in your bin, causing it to develop a less than pleasant smell. A thorough cleaning will get rid of this buildup and prevent foul smells in your kitchen. The simplest way to deodorize your bin and keep lingering odors at bay is to sprinkle baking soda on its bottom. Baking soda will neutralize, not just cover bad smells, and prevent them from resurfacing. 36. Remove odor from a vase. Vases, especially slender vases or tall and tapered vases, are quite the challenge to clean since you can't reach inside with a cloth or your hand. The best way to clean vases without actually scrubbing is to fill the vase with a solution of water and baking soda and let the solution sit for a few hours. Wash the vase clean, and you should find that any unpleasant stains and odors are gone. If the first time hasn't done the job, simply repeat the process. 37. Make a dog deodorizer. Dogs can't help having their natural scent, and it's often the case that no matter how many times you give your four-legged friend a bath, he'll always end up smelling again by the next morning. If you're inviting guests around, or you just want your home to smell fresh in the short term, try mixing half a cup of baking soda with 2 cups of water. Then soak 1 neckerchief, appropriately sized to fit a dog. Wait for their neckerchief to naturally dry, then tie it around your dog's neck to help keep the odors away. This shouldn't be uncomfortable for your pet, but some dogs are more relaxed than others. So if your dog doesn't like it, this hack probably isn't for you. To see the final part of the fantastic uses of baking soda, then click here to go to part 3, or there will be a link in the description below. If you missed the first video in this series, then click here for part 1. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to give this video the thumbs up and comment as to what your favorite baking soda hack is in the comments.